guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making pom-pom art. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just add glue for ages 5 up. So this is a kitten, cute little kitten. Do you like kitten? Comment down below. There, I clicked the comments. So let's open it. I like kitten the most. Oh guys, and we need clear glue, liquid glue, or glue stick. So if you want this liquid glue or glue stick. Hey guys, so I need these two because this is super little. So let's open it. Okay. Here's the orange pom-pom. Black pom-pom. This is a lot of white pom-poms. So there are two pom-poms. And pink pom-poms. It's super little. So get this orange, black, white, and this one put to the bowl. Like there. Super cute. Sabay niya. Joke lang. So, where there's only one little. Here it is, guys. Here's the decorations, and here's the background of a kitten, like this. Now let's exercise this. So our last video, we made this unicorn. You want to see it, guys? Okay, Mom, can you right upstairs in the clips? So my mom will get it. This is we made. Super cute, right? And we just wait. Thank you, Mama. So here it is. Hola! Oh no! I destroyed my little beautiful cake. Super fluffy. You should try. Now we need to. So we need stick here nice and careful. You don't want to stick like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. So let's do it. Let's just. You did my thing. So let's do. I will do pattern because I like patterns, and I will just glue everything so it will be sticky and I forgot my slime because I have slime the last video. I need that slime because the slime helps me to get away the glue in the table. There. I need a tissue. Yeah, not a tissue. All the tissue, Mom. Now here, and let's stick it nice and careful. Let's wait. I need tissue. Tissue from the air of the above. Tissue. Thank you for that tissue. So this is only one. And I forgot. And I need alcohol. Mom, can you give me alcohol? Thank you. Use a little alcohol in your hands, guys. Okay. Now let's do it. Sanitize your hand. Okay. There, it's done now. There, and flip. Oh, nice. Stick it nice and carefully, and we need tissue and the alcohol, and put it in here on my table. And there, and flip. Guys, my desk is messy now and sticky, so I'll just. Now guys, first we need these whites, and we need to set aside for this first, and let's put it first. Careful guys, okay, and don't lose 1 or 2 pom-poms, white pom-pom and orange pom-poms, yes. And trash. 1 more. And trash. And guys, you need tweezers. But first, let's set aside and let's open these ones. Just wait, Mom. Oh well. Ew. Super cool, guys. Super cool. And I'm introducing myself as an intro. Here's the googly eyes. Googly eyes. And stickers. And here's the trash. So guys, here's the like neck thingy, and here's the whiskers set aside. And guys, and I will show you how to make it. that, and we'll put the bubbles right there. Like that. And there's a in the back. You just feel it because it's a sticker. Is this not sticker? You need to feel it. Oh, I think this is not stickable. You need glue. A little bit glue. Stick it. Okay, right here. Ah. That's right there. And bam. Right here. And bam. Ah. Let's first start it. Like that. Whoa, super cool, guys. Look at it. Super cool and super natural. And see, oh, what is this? Oh, she has whiskers. Oh, it has whiskers. It has whiskers, so let's put it there. One more whiskers. There and right there, and one more. Right there and right there. Whoa, cool, right? Whoa, super cool and super natural. Cool, right? Ah, The googly eyes is stuff. Really dead. I think. Oh gosh, let's take out those I did. Help. There. Cute. See, super cute. Okay, guys, I hope you like my video and please subscribe. Yeah, and click the bell button and share. There. And I hope you guys like my video and see you guys next time and bye. Bye.